Imagine this, waking up one day and deciding to eat 100,000 calories. Sounds wild, right? But what would actually happen to your body? Let's dive into this calorie catastrophe and uncover the jaw-dropping consequences. First, let's put this into perspective. The average adult needs about 2,000 calories a day. So 100,000 calories is equivalent to eating 50 pizzas, 400 burgers, or 1,000 donuts. In one day. That's enough to feed 50 people for an entire day. Your stomach isn't designed to handle this. Its capacity is around 1 to 1.5 liters, barely enough for a fraction of this feast. You'd feel nauseous, bloated, and might even vomit. In fact, your body might force you to stop before you get even halfway. All that sugar and fat would spike your blood sugar levels dangerously. Your pancreas would go into overdrive producing insulin, trying to manage the sugar, but this could lead to dizziness, confusion, or even a medical emergency. Your body can't burn all those calories, so it stores them as fat. You'd gain about 28 pounds in a single day. That's like adding the weight of a suitcase to your body overnight. Consuming this much fat and salt is a disaster for your heart. Your blood pressure would skyrocket, and your liver would work overtime to process the toxins. Long-term, this could cause severe health problems like fatty liver disease or heart failure. After this, your body would spend days or even weeks trying to recover. You'd feel lethargic, bloated, and sick. It's like running a marathon while carrying a backpack full of bricks. Not worth it. So, what if you eat 100,000 calories? The short answer, it's a recipe for disaster. Your body is an amazing machine, but it has limits. Stick to a balanced diet and let's leave the crazy calorie challenges to imagination.